Welcome to DIY for Homeowners.
We're mother-daughter projects.
I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we are on Mom's porch, and it's looking way cleaner than it was just a little bit ago.
Yeah, it was a mess. I don't think I've ever cleaned this patio. But anyway, we did clean this with a pressure washer, but before we did this, we tried out the Milwaukee 4-gallon sprayer. And the thing we like about this is it has these interchangeable tanks, so we can put water in one and our soap in the other, and we can go between the two without ever having to clean up the tanks.
And we want to thank the Home Depot for sponsoring today's project. Let's get started. The first step was to clean out the patio. Mom's patio is really long, so we decided to clean one half at a time, so we put all the stuff on one end. Next, we used our Makita battery-powered blower to remove all the debris from the concrete. Here's the tank sprayer. It comes with a strap so you can wear it like a backpack. But at 4 gallons, we never intended to wear it as a backpack as that is way too heavy. Here I'm removing the straps, and we're going to make it portable by adding it to a rolling wheel cart. We're starting by filling up the water tank just with water, and then Mom is going to turn it on right here on the side, and she's using the water tank to clean the windows before we move on to the concrete. The water tank has a really nice pressure, and it's super convenient to have an essentially battery-powered hose that you can take anywhere, and you're not restricted by the placement of your spigot or the length of your hose. Look at all that dirt. Not sure when these were last cleaned, but now we can say these were clean today. Here we're removing the water tank and putting the chemical sprayer in place, making sure the connections are dry. We already have a battery in here, but Mom is opening the compartment so you can see where it goes. The compartment seals off water getting to the battery. In the lid of the chemical sprayer, you can see it comes with a measuring cup, and there's a removable filter where you add the water. We added some water to the tank, and here we're measuring out some concrete cleaner to add to the tank. We did it in this order to reduce suds. Here's Mom starting to spray the concrete down. You can see it was really dirty. This solution will help loosen the dirt. Let it sit for about 10 minutes before pressure washing. You can see it already starting to work within the 10 minutes. And here you can see the pressure washer easily removed all the dirt after the cleaner. This is obviously sped up for your enjoyment, but it probably took about an hour in real time per side.
What we learned. If you know anything about pressure washers, you know you can put the soap right in that. But I found from my experience it was just easier to have a dedicated tank with the cleaner, so I could use the cleaner, spray it, and then I was ready to go with the pressure washer.
The reason we wanted this tank sprayer was because I thought it would work perfect to clean the siding at my house because it will actually reach pretty tall on my eaves. But I also thought it might work to clean my screen and porch, which if it does, we will be sharing that in the next couple of weeks. But we'll share it if it doesn't work either.
Exactly. The cleaning of this patio was just the start of a little mini makeover. As you can see, it was painted and a lot of that paint has started to come up. So we'll be painting it, we'll be working on the cracks, and we'll show you that in future videos.
If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
I just did this. That was weird.
Well, there's our blooper.
There's our blooper. Okay.
And of course, we have more videos for you. If you have an uneven sidewalk or driveway, the concrete slabs are like this, and they should be like this, well, we have a video for you right here.
And if you have something ugly you want to hide, like trash cans, you want to check out our PVC privacy screen.